Okay, so on this one, we're going to graph the line AB, connect the 2 points, draw the line, and put a line perpendicular going through P. All right, so here we go. I'll zoom in a little bit like that. First, I'm going to put the points A and B and then P, and then you need to label them. I know on the test I wrote in big letters, label all your points, okay? So here, let's go. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. A is -6, 5. So I'm going to go over here to left, -6 and go up to 5. That's A. B is -1, -3. So I'm going to go to the left, and -3 is right there. That's B. So here's A. Sorry, it's messy. And here's B, right there. And I'm going to draw the line. And where's P? I'm just going to go ahead and put P up here too. -4 and 3, so -4 and up to 3. So I kind of know where things are going to be. -4 and up to 3. That's a little messy. Let me try that one more time. Oh well, whatever. So that's P. Let me draw the line. Whoops. AB, so start at A. Whoops, that's messy. I'm going to slide it over. It's pretty difficult with, oh, not bad. Oh, and I'll make room for my arrows. Okay, again, I'm not going to be picky if you don't put arrows, but you really should. And then P, I wanted to draw the line before I put P down, the letter P, because I didn't know where it was going to go. Now I need perpendicular. So I'm going to look at the slope for this AB line. And the slope, let's start with A. It's the rise over the run, or in this case, negative. So we're going to go down how far? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going down 8. So that's a -8 over. And then, so I go from here, then I'm going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5, I'm sorry, to the right 5. So that's really a +5. So that's the slope, but I want to graph a line perpendicular to AB and containing point P. So this is the normal slope, and I'm going to move that out of the way just because I don't like messy. So that's the normal, that's the slope of what we have already. Perpendicular slope is going to be +5/8. So let's see, I think I remember doing this, and we have to go off the grid a little bit. So because it's +5, that means we're going to go up 5 and to the right 8. So I would go, let's see, make sure I get my laser pointer here. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, but then 4 and 5 are going to be up here. We're just going to guess, okay? This is where 5 is going to be. And then I'm going to go over 8. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to count 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 here, and then up about 2. So it's going to be right about there. And I'm going to do it one more time with my pen. So we're going to go, there's 4. We're on the x-axis at -4. So I'm going to go over to the +4, and then up to right about, there's 6, no, there's, oh, that's up 3, 4, 5 would be right around there. So that's the point I need. I'll connect that with P, whoops. Something like that. Do your best to go through the points and draw arrows, and that's completed, okay? So we graphed line AB, we labeled our points, and we have a line perpendicular to AB. That's how you do that one. I'll do number 2 a little bit faster. I'm going to put all the points down. Whoops, I keep doing that. So 3, 2, that's A. And I'm going to put the labels in. Once I know where the line's going to be, I'll put the labels down. And B is a -2 and -4. So That's B. So I think I'm safe to put my letter A right there and my letter B right there. And P is a -6 and a +2 right there. So I'm going to connect AB. And then I will adjust it. Like that. And put the arrows. And now, and this is P. So good, I've got them labeled. And now I need to find out what the slope is. So going from, I always start with the leftmost point. So rise over run. So I'm going to go one up. I'm going to go up here and over here. That's my slope. But I'm going to count. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up 6. So slope 6. And then how far over? I go, just do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those are both positive directions. Up 6 is positive and over to the right 5 is positive. So that's just a positive 6/5. Now the perpendicular line is going to be -5/6 and going through point P. So from point P, I want to count, let's just try counting down. Sometimes we don't have enough room, we have to count up and then left, but anyway. So we'll go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 6. Well, I'm already at the -6 right here, so I'm going to go over to the axis. So here's my -5/6. I could have gone to the right 6 and down 5, either way, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to end up right there, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 6 right there. So it's going to be right, that's my other point. And now connect those. It may not be exactly on, but that's close enough. Okay. Arrows, and we're done. That's what it should look like for doing those, okay? Awesome.